Go and check any country before that kind huge amount of money will go into your account. Your signature must be there. And it's quite unfortunate that Simon Ekpa's signature is not there. You understand? Because even though such amount to enter and they have to do investigation, during the investigation and after the investigation, since Simon Ekpa's signature is not there as evidence of an approval. I remember humble self-evangelist Benjamin Johnson is the Biafran evangelist that always heard the truth, and I will continue to speak the truth. The one I know. Now listen and listen. I am not surprised if I hear that Nigeria pays such a huge amount of money. But they have such amount of money to pay, but they don't have it to invest in the economy for Nigeria to grow and for people, you know, the workers to enjoy. But they have it to kind of to root Simon Ekpa, you know. And then at the same time, do you know the people that will do this? In the likeness of Peter Mba, they can do it, you know, because the account was thrown open to every Biafran. They will come in this guy, probably a copy from their bias agent, all those saboteurs, all those Judas among the Biafrans. These are the people, the material, the instrument which they could use, and that is the people they have used. You understand? To pay such a huge amount of money into Biafran account, and they now use it as an evidence to show to the European Union the reason why they are accusing Simon Ekpa. And you know, to have such huge amount of money to enter into someone's account once, you know, according to the standard of the European constitution, union law, you know, it is a huge and it's something terrifying that needed an investigation. You see why the Finland, they were like by fire by force, they have to act. And they have acted by restricting Simon Ekpa in some certain things. You understand? Being their citizen until they do their thorough investigation. But glory be to God that the truth is coming out gradually. They have found out that now, the news that is flying now that it was Nigerian government that paid the money. Not that the money was actually from any source from the Biafra, but it was the source from the Nigerian government.
Yeah, but this alleged as well. Excuse me. According to what I hear from,
okay, this it was allegedly.
According to what I hear from social media.
Okay, according to the social media, you understand that it was allegedly come from the Nigerian government. Yes, I will not argue that it is not possible. It is possible. Nigeria is good in doing that. You understand? They are good in doing that. After all, they have paid $100 million or $1 billion to Kenya in order to kidnap Mazen Namdekan. If they can do that, they are equally capable of doing this in order to stop Simon Ekpa. So I am not surprised. And because in their mindset was when they stop Simon Ekpa, they will stop the declaration of Biafra. They will stop everything about Biafra because they believe that Simon Ekpa is the one spearheading the next Biafra, not knowing that there are other men and women on the ground that after Simon Ekpa they will take off. You understand? And so I am not surprised. I am not surprised. It's not a news to me because Nigeria can do it because they have done things like that in the case of Mazen Namdekan and other means. Even in Nigeria here, we've seen people stealing huge amount of money. At the end of the day, they went away with it. And nothing happens. So, it's not a news. It's a normal phenomenon in Nigeria. You understand? But the angle I'm waiting now is the reaction that Finland government now will come up with, and the action of the UN will come up, and the action of the EU will come up with. Then, and the action as well, the Americans will come out with. That is and the reactions too, that even them, the Biafrans themselves, will come up with. These are the angle I am waiting to see. Yes, that is where I'm waiting to see.
But I don't think that Biafra, Finland can betray Simon Ekpa.
Why is that? That there are human beings But at the same time, I will not criticize Finland for now until they commit, until they enter my bad record before I speak against them. You understand? Yes, you cannot accuse somebody over what you have not done. You understand? And when you accuse somebody wrongly, it will work against you. You understand? I will not say they are already. To me, the angle I'm saying is that such huge amount of money, according to their law, let us, when we are analyzing things, let's remember the law of the country, the law of the UN, the law of NATO, and the law of the EU. You understand? All these things should be considered, because anything terrorism is not a good record to any country that wants something good, that think good, that reason good for themselves. Even in Africa here, the president of Burkina Faso is fighting tooth and nail to make sure that they wipe anything called terrorism in his own country. I mean Burkina Faso, Traore. So if you watch, every good nation that wants a good reputation will not like to attach themselves with the record of terrorism. You understand? So that is the angle I see Finland working on. You understand? So now they are seeing that Simon Ekpa was actually innocent of the allegation leveled against him. So that's why I made a statement that I earlier made before, that I am waiting to hear and to see their reaction after finding out that that huge amount of money was not actually, come from anywhere rather than Nigeria, sending such amount of money into Biafran account. Because you cannot just see, boom, in account of a country like Biafra, just like that. Because, no, it will call alarming this thing. You understand? So they are doing everything to redeem image of their country.
Okay, we've heard Pitamba during when Ekpa was just arrested. We heard when Pitamba was, aggressively and confidently saying that he has evidence against Simon Ekpa. Was it their plan to indict and at the same time put out evidence that would truly indict?
Yes, that could be one of the evidence. That could be the reason why they are, smoking fire as at that period. That could be the reason why they were, swaggering themselves that they won't have evidence, But there is something they fail to understand. For such amount of money to enter into Biafra's account, I think a Simon Ekpa's signature must be there. Yes, go and check any country before that kind huge amount of money will go into your account. Your signature must be there, and it's quite unfortunate that Simon Ekpa's signature is not there. You understand? Because even though such amount will enter and they have to do investigation, during the investigation and after the investigation, since Simon Ekpa's signature is not there as evidence of an approval for such amount of money, because no be baby money, we are talking about dollars, billions. Are you getting? We are talking about billions here. So his signature need to be there, and since his signature was not there, he can never be held accountable for that. So he's a free man. So probably that is the reason why they are jumping up. And at the end of the day, maybe one or two persons now made them to understand. Somebody like Mba, is this man's signature there? He said no, the signature is not there. So you do not have it as a concrete evidence. So you cannot hold anything against him. That's why I believe maybe that is one of the reasons why they withdraw back. You understand?
But why do you think they're not coming to defend themselves? The Nigerian government, the themselves,
I'm giving you
the Biancas. Why do you think they're not coming to?
That is the evidence I'm giving to you. That is the point I'm making. You understand? When you say you want to accuse somebody and you are holding evidence about somebody, you must have a concrete evidence. And evidence which you are using, and the person is not officially involved or engaged on that transaction or on that evidence. Are you not seeing it is a false allegation? And it will play against you. And once you go internationally and play such game, and they discover that this man you are accusing is innocent of all these things, that checkmate it. Baba, you are putting yourself into problem. Because the man in court will rise up. They will hold you. And the guy will charge. He will charge you for defamation of character. You understand? And international bodies will not hold, it will not just, take it lightly with you. You will pay the guy for damages. You will pay him for other damages that he may rise up to claim. And you don't have any escape route than to obey. And you must pay it. And whereby such thing take place, you have completely ridiculed yourself internationally, all over the world. And you have completely messed up the country you are representing. You see why they are running away.
Do you think that just earlier hours of this morning we saw Trump finally inducted as the 47th president of America? So, and Ngozi has come and said that she has met with the team, and the Biafra struggle is on the table of Donald Trump, who we know that Joyfuly, the chief of staff, was former Nnamdi Kanu's lobbyist. Do you think that there's a very big hope or very big chance for the Biafra?
To the glory of God, there will be hope. To the glory of God, there is hope. To the glory of God, hope will be restored. Because the matter is already in his table before now. The matter is not a news to him. It is something that he already knows about it before today. And now, even one of the lobbyists that is currently the chief of staff, I know she too will contribute her own quota as well. You understand me? So everything goes to the glory of God, and at the end of the day, the light will shine at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah, but release down the candle, man, Nigeria no doubt. You don't release down the candle. See, Tinubu, Jagaba, you get the capacity. You don't book past Buhari. You get paper Buhari. Okay, let her please. Please, we are begging you. Release my brother. My principal. Let us have the liberation of peace. Igbo economy, Nigeria. Whether I like it or not, anywhere, Lagos, Abuja, Owerri, Enugu, Abia, Ondo, Akure, Oyo, Kaduna, Kano, Maiduguri, Sokoto, they get everywhere. Don't you know me around? They get everywhere. They produce the product. They live. They live. Now, one of their songs. The reality of the home of the ground, or the atmosphere of freedom. Why? Why? It's wrong. Correct the wrong. You have time to correct the wrong. Let the wrong be corrected and let us live. You see, one day when this one come, Nigeria go enjoy bar. That day self, attack go enter, fresh air go enter, fresh air is lock. In lock. When lock, young man from Kenya, how many years now? See, let us calculate the year. All of them are working in free sea. They see, they kill it, they saw. But we don't kill, we don't do anything. We're fighting for the freedom. It's lock. Okay, Donald Trump don't come now. You go see temple. You go see temple. You go see pressure. You go see wahala. Because Donald Trump, the president of the whole world, yesterday, they put on 47 presidents of the United States of America. Mafia. Come back again. Mafia. Mafia. He came back again the second time. And you know, tolerate nonsense. And the nonsense when Nigeria face, you know, give Nigeria the space. They're afraid now.
Well, you know, invite Tinubu now.
I go invite him.
You know, invite Tinubu and
he's a chameleon. They don't even invite chameleon. You can't invite chameleon. Chameleon. Welcome. Welcome. Kí ló ṣe? Ó wá gbé gbogbo ó palẹ̀ mọ́. Ó palẹ̀ mọ́. He carry your money go for his pocket. Nigeria suffer. Okay, if you come, yeah, I tell God beg you, Nigeria, sorry, Buhari don't fuck up. Nnamdi Kanu, go home. Let your people be at peace. You know, do am. How many years? Okay, you don't see the body language. You're wrong. Donald Trump will deal with all of them.
Donald Trump will deal with all of them.
What can't you reach Kanu now? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? But you say people they invade their forest, they kill their people. You say you don't want them, you can't arrest a person for sale. Say wrong talk. God bless your life. Because if you know do the right thing, the wrong thing they backfire. You see, it's not possible. Let him go and peace will reign. Igbo na get Nigeria, whether like it or not. Na Igbo get Nigeria. Igbo will have 3 tribes: Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa. Na Igbo they control the economy, the movement of money, the movement of life, the movement of productive, the movement of product. Na Igbo they say back everywhere now.
So now then the economy up.
Without Igbo, no life. Everybody contribute, but Igbo the highest contribution. The higher contribution on the life, on the meaningful of humanity. Meaningful of humanity, they contributed a lot. A lot! So many years have gone by now. You see, oh God, God live with us, and God live with them. And then they get Nigeria, and they get the whole world. So we talk through to the reality. You start releasing that young man. Nigeria will not have peace. Nigeria will not have productive. Nigeria will not have life. We got to debate every day. Not the same thing. Every day, not the same thing. Wayo, put them together. Army arrangement. Now the arrangement with that. But God pass them. Please, let him not be Kanu go. Leave him. Let peace reign. Let Nigeria move forward. We are backward. Only the time of Jonathan, let Nigeria move forward. From Jonathan to today, now backward, do they go? And backward is a very dangerous language. Bad! Let it go and let them move forward. God bless your life. God will bless you for your question. See, when you say Uzoju Kalu in the first place, it's a former governor of Abia State. You know the terrain, you know the environment of that area. See, Nigeria, all over the world, anywhere where Igbo man do, you have to run. See, Igbo man the capital of the economy of anywhere. So why you not seize their song, one of the most recognized songs that fight for the freedom of their liberty. The person of Nnamdi Kanu. If you don't read Nnamdi Kanu, no Nigeria, no economy. Suffering will continue. Hardship will continue. See, let him go one day and see 1 week, Nigeria will become a productive. Nigeria will become a life home where people will live and happy and eat food. You didn't know why? Because the majority of the house of God is God. Who are they? The Igbos. Everywhere I go, Omo Igbo is the grandfather of the whole universe. And their son, Nnamdi Kanu, the brave son of the kingdom of Biafra. Ekpa, why keeping there? You keep him there, you will suffer. You will suffer no matter the economic planning, you lie. You fail. Nnamdi Kanu only release your free one day. Ategun. You call it Ategun. Air, fresh air will breach enter Nigeria. Nigeria will see the reality of hope. No reality of hope now. You go keep one man there. Innocent man. The fighting for the freedom, liberation of the people. Not only Nigeria, worldwide. Igbos, they are all. Any country go, when no Igbo man, Ekpa. He will run because they will assassinate you. The one Igbo man get, you feel house of belonging. You are alive. You are alive. You are alive. Igbo man, the kingdom of the whole world. Israelite. Say the kingdom of God. The kingdom of God is now here.
You want to put that inside here?
Evil man. Why don't you release a prince? There was a prince. You can't keep prince in the captivity. If you keep prince in the captivity, everything will go wrong. Sorry, everything will go wrong. Okay, now Nigeria go wrong. No food, no house, no light, no water, no road, no security, nothing. Why? Because they killed the prince of peace. Jesus Christ is the Prince of Peace, and it's the continuation. Maybe not the canoe. The son. Why? Why? Okay, after Buhari single-handedly arrange him from Kenya to here. Okay, now he came. Leave me alone. Let him go. Let Nigeria go. Let Nigeria free from the bondage. Nigeria is in the bondage because of what? Because of the incarceration of Nnamdi Kanu. The prince, peace. Biafra, no leave. Ekpa. See, we must leave. Why? Okay, you go all up and say, okay, I want one now. Nigeria, borrow. China will collect Nigeria one day. One day, say, remember, if you don't ask your one day, of course, you must die. Nigeria will die one day. China will call Nigeria. Then release Nnamdi Kanu, make Nigeria no die. You don't release Nnamdi Kanu. See, Tinubu, the Jagaba, you got the capacity. You don't book past Buhari. You get paper Buhari. Okay, let our peace. Please, we are begging you. Release my brother. My principal. Let us have the liberation of peace. Igbo economy, Nigeria. Whether I like it or not, Allah. Anywhere, Lagos, Abuja, Owerri, Enugu, Abia, Ondo, Akure, Oyo, Kaduna, Kano, Maiduguri, Sokoto. They get everywhere. Don't you know me right? They get everywhere. They produce the product. They live. Now, one of their songs. The reality of the home of him, the ground, or the atmosphere of freedom. Why? It's wrong. Correct the wrong. You have time to correct the wrong. Let the wrong be corrected and let us live. You see, one day when it is on the country, Nigeria go enjoy bar. That day self, attack go enter, fresh air go enter, fresh air is lock. In lock. When lock, young man from Kenya, how many years now? See, let us calculate the year. All of them are working in free street. The key is so. But who don't key, who don't do anything. If fighting for the freedom, it's lock. How will you see the freedom of the nation? No nation get that kind of freedom. Nigeria will suffer.
Because of the injustice?
Because of the injustice, Nigeria will suffer. That's why Nigeria suffer. Suffer, now your fault be that. Me, I say, now your fault be that. Nigeria fault. Nigeria government, make us fault. Because they lock innocent person. You lock innocent person. Okay, now go arrange for final. Say, lock here, some Ekpa. Okay, lock. They go perish. See, let us be frank with ourselves. We are not hiding anything. We are not biased. We are saying the truth will set you free. The truth is bitter, but it will set you free. Let them go. Release them. See, they have the capacity to make freedom came. You don't have the capacity. A dead gone. You are a liar. Now, the press gone. The person will talk. Command. Toast. Command toast. Ace. Why Nigeria don't enter the peace? Why lock him there? How long? The court on the land say, let him go, free him. Okay, see holding him. Okay, why holding him for? There's no court here. In America, in London, in Alabama, court reign. Cotonou here court reign. Cote d'Ivoire court reign. Why Nigeria court no reign? Why no court reign here? Let him go. Free him. I like peace, because the whole world